Hi everyone and welcome back to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena and today I'm going to quickly share with you a viral recipe. It's a baked feta pasta and I thought to myself, let me jump on it and come on here and share it with you lovely people so you can try it too. And apparently it's because of this recipe the grocery stores in Finland ran out of feta. So let's give it a go. I will let you know if I've made any changes while we're going through the process. I've added some olive oil, followed by some feta cheese. In the viral video, she had one big block of feta cheese that she put in the center. I'm using what I already have in the fridge, which is 3 smaller blocks of feta cheese. Followed by tomatoes. They didn't specify, but you can use cherry or rosa tomatoes. And she did add her garlic directly after she removed it from the oven. I like mine slightly baked, so I've added it prior. And I've added half a teaspoon of garlic. I'm now going to add some extra olive oil, some salt and pepper, so enough seasoning. And finally some mixed herbs. Make sure your pasta is boiling and your oven is preheated. You can put it in the oven for approximately 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And while my feta is baking, I'm warming up some homemade chili. It's lamb chili that the kids wanted to add on. When you remove from the oven, add some fresh basil and then give it all a slight smash. And once you're done, you can also judge the consistency. Some of the feta slightly melts and some of them stay a little bit crumbly, and you can decide what texture you prefer. I should have added a little bit of olive oil to the feta itself. I didn't. So once I've added my pasta, I did add a little extra drizzle of virgin olive oil on top. You can then toss your pasta into all the yummy-licious flavors and serve. I really enjoyed it. I did. I loved the flavors. It was so simple and easy to make. I think the only thing I would change is add a little extra olive oil while it's baking the next time so it has a creamier texture. I think it was awesome. I thoroughly enjoyed it just like this. For the kids, I added my homemade leftover chili and they loved it. So it was a win all round. I hope you give this viral recipe a try. And as usual, all the ingredients used will be found in the drop-down description below. It's a very straightforward recipe, so I hope you give it a go. Please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are always welcome. See you again soon in Perima's Kitchen. Have a yummy, delicious day.